Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my vlog footage I got from Bangladesh. I haven't gone to Bangladesh in 10 years, so it was such an amazing trip, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. So let's get started. Hi guys, hope you are well. I am on the rooftop right now. So right now I am in Chhatak in SYLHET, Bangladesh. This is where my dad's side of the family is from, and I've been here for a couple of days. So I will be showing you guys a little different clips I have from Chhatak, just so y'all can see a little tour, and I'll also be recording how my dad's side of the family's house looks like, and yeah, just give you a little bit of a tour. Right now I'm on the rooftop and it feels so nice. The weather here is really nice right now. It's like a hot and cold mix, and this is how the background looks like. This is the view from the rooftop. So basically this whole area is all my dad's relatives, family all live here. So it's really nice to look at in the morning. There's just trees everywhere you can see. And then this is like the main entrance, well, one of the entrances to come inside the house. And so you can see there's just trees everywhere, and then when you walk more inside, the blue color house is where I normally stay whenever I come by in Bangladesh. This is where my dad's family stays in, but you can see on the left side there's another house that's also where my dad's cousins and them all live. So it's really cool that like this whole area is just full of my dad's family members. I had to record the little chickens, they're so cute. And then by the house there is a local masjid. This is where everyone comes to pray for Jummah and all the 5 prayers. It's really beautiful to look at. And then in front of the house they have the Suma River. It's so beautiful to look at. How lucky, like you get to see it every morning, the beautiful water. It's a really nice view. So a couple days later, me and my dad's side of the family and also my in-laws, we all took a big boat and took a tour around Chhatak, again where my dad's side of the family is from. It was such a fun time. We were on the boat for at least 2 hours just looking at the views, kind of giving a tour, and also just seeing what Chhatak is known for. So we got to see some famous like buildings and everything, and it was just a really good time. The weather was nice and we were all just taking pictures and just looking at beautiful sceneries. It was a really nice day. So the huge looking factory that you see is actually the cement factory in Chhatak. They're really well known, and I will be actually going on a tour soon later in the vlog, so you guys will see that. Later on, the sun was going down slowly. The view was so beautiful to look at. I could look at it like all day long. It was so relaxing. restaurant right now. We're about to go on a little mini boat. It's called a Noka. Past all of this with the little tiny boat, and it was so scary, but we made it. This is my cousin Mahi. Hello. And now we're gonna see my brother. He's all over there. Let's see how he reacts. Hi guys, hope you're all well. Today we are at a cement factory in Chhatak. It's pretty well known, so we're taking a tour here with some of my family members. So I'm gonna show you guys the behind the scenes of how a cement factory works, what they do, so you guys can see everything. So this is inside the cement factory. The reason why the cement factory is really well known in Chhatak is because it is like one of the oldest cement factory in Bangladesh. We were just getting a tour of exactly like what goes on inside a factory. It was really cool, the whole process of like making it to, you know, putting it in packaging, and just the whole system was really nice to look at. So this is just one of my uncles showing me exactly how they package and all that good stuff. So next we went to this location called Lalpahar, basically translated into Red Mountain. So this is also kind of well known in Chhatak, so it was just a nice view to look at, and of course we took a bunch of pictures. Look at that sunset, wow. Hope you're all well. So right now we're at a tea garden. So they're known for tea gardens. So I'm here with all of my cousins in the background. They're all just taking pictures, and the weather here is really nice as well, so you can see in the background. It's like a nice sunset happening too. So it's my husband. Hi. This is my cousin Taiba. Say hi. Hi. Oh, it looks nice on camera. So behind me there is a stadium you can see in the back. It's called the SYLHET International Stadium. So they have like all these games up there, you can see that. This is my cousin Promi. Say hi. later, me and my cousin, we were on a Rishka ride, doing more shopping in SYLHET. SYLHET has some really nice places to shop at, so we were just going around the town. SYLHET is just very, very busy, just lots of people. This area was a little bit more quiet, but overall it's really busy. And this is the view from the house that we were staying in SYLHET. Very nice vibes. You can see a lot of houses in Bangladesh are very bright colors. Hi guys, hope you are doing well today. So I am right now at my in-laws house in BEANIBAZAR. That's where they're from, and so today I will be vlogging for you guys to see how my family gets ready for my parents and everyone to come. Today my parents, my relatives from my dad's side, they're all going to be coming to visit, so I will be showing you guys all behind the scenes how my in-laws get ready for that. And I'll show you behind the scenes of everything. So I'm walking upstairs to the rooftop to show you guys the little setup that we are having for my families that are coming to visit today. So they're doing like a little tent situation. This is the before, and this is the after. Look how cute. It looks like a little wedding hall situation going on. Very cute. So this is where my family's going to be coming to eat lunch. You guys will see in the next clip where everyone's coming upstairs. This is all my family from my dad's side, my mom, my aunt, cousins, all having lunch. Look at me posing with mustard seed flowers. I'm right now at where my mother-in-law was born and raised. It was a really pretty place in BEANIBAZAR. I'll put the exact location in the bottom, but we just took a tour around and they had like nice views to look at. And yeah, I was just taking a tour with my hubby's family. Just a lot of natural scenic views. So you can see there's like just trees and trees everywhere. So the red house is where my mother-in-law grew up. So all her siblings all come and live here. So it's a really nice big house. There's so many rooms and just a beautiful view. So this village is called SYLHET. This is where my aunt lives. We came to visit, and it just was such a nice, relaxing, calm village, and just beautiful, simple scenery. Hi guys, hope you are well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Today is actually my last day in Bangladesh, which is so unreal. I was here for like 6 weeks, but it felt so short. I hope you guys enjoyed the little footages I had of every place I went and visited. It was such an amazing time, and I hope you guys liked this vlog as well. If you guys like more of these travel type of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like and comment. I will definitely be posting more videos like this. And yeah, wish me good luck, you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next adventure. Bye.